How to use DoorDash gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use your DoorDash gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to use your DoorDash gift card, it's actually quite very simple, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open it up. Once you log into your DoorDash account, tap the account option from the very top of the screen there. Then here you'll find payment methods. Go to payment methods there, and once you go to payment method, let the payment method load up. But you have to scroll down here at the bottom. You'll find an option that says redeem a gift card to add credits. So just tap on this little option here. If you don't have gift card, it will ask you to buy a gift card, but obviously that's not what we want to do. We want to redeem a gift card. So here you can say have a gift card. Make sure to enter the gift card pin here, and once done you can just tap on this redeem gift card option, and the gift card will get redeemed and the value will get applied in the next order that you make. It will get automatically applied depending upon how much credits or balance that the gift card was. This way you can use your DoorDash gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.